Hello everyone, Teacher Sunny is here again to explain a few problems for you. Now let's get right into reading the question. There are usually 56 people and 1/3 of the girls have left. 1/4 of the boys have left. There are 40 people left. How many boys and girls are there respectively? Alright. When we're carefully reading this particular question, you really need to pay close attention to the significant fact that the total number of people in the entire class is already clearly given as precisely 56. Now, this class is distinctly divided into two main groups, girls and boys. This is essentially the who in the problem. So you absolutely must not miss any of the important people involved. So, in this specific class, there are indeed girls and boys, which fundamentally means the number of girls plus the number of boys. There are a grand total of 56 people. As for the girls, they can be further divided into three distinct parts, and one of those parts has unfortunately left. So after a while, one part leaves, so there are two parts left. As for the boys, 1/4 of them leave, which means the boys can be divided into four parts. So, in this particular case, we treat the total number of boys as one complete unit. If 1/4 leaves, that means out of the four original parts, one part is now gone. Obviously, there are three parts of boys still left. So, once you fully grasp the complete meaning of these individual parts, this particular problem becomes very easy to effectively solve. Let's proceed to use modeling and carefully draw it all out. Alright, let's take a closer look. Girls. For the girls, there are a total of three distinct parts. There are three parts in total, absolutely. There's nothing wrong with that at all. As for the boys, they can be clearly divided into four distinct parts. It can be precisely divided into four separate parts. And then we also know that the total number of girls plus the total number of boys exactly equals the grand total number of people, which is 56 individuals. There are 56 students, right? Alright, so each of these individual triangles that you see here actually clearly represents a specific fraction, which is precisely 1/3, right? This is because it is exactly one part out of a total of three equal parts, so it very clearly represents the fraction of 1/3. The same logic applies. So, for the four circles representing the boys, they can be clearly and distinctly divided into four equal parts. So each individual circle represents exactly 1/4, right? Each circle truly stands for 1/4. That's precisely what it means. That's the fundamental idea. Alright then, let's now